This is my new horizontal router table. We'll start from the back. This table was designed to use the 1/2 inch router. As you can see, it locks in with these brackets here. The rise and fall mechanism, for fine adjustment, loosen this wing nut and then use the handle for micro adjusting up and down. Once you've found your correct position, simply lock that nut off and you're away to go. For larger adjustments, use this side here, loosen these nuts off, lift to the desired position and then tighten. So coming back around to the front, we have the XY table. The plunge feature is here and the parallel cut is here. To adjust the length of the parallel cut, or you can simply adjust the stops. For tenon cutting, I use this 90-degree fence. Adjust the router to where you want it to be. Lock this in position. And cut. Okay, thanks for watching.